Hello automotive enthusiast. 2026 Ford Ranger Raptor, optimizing twin-turbo V6 performance for competitive off-road racing. The Ford Ranger Raptor was already fast. But fast isn't enough when you're flying across the desert at triple-digit speeds with suspension components overheating, turbochargers cooking themselves alive, and every landing threatening to destroy the chassis underneath. That's where real off-road racing begins. And that's exactly why the 2026 Ranger Raptor is being pushed far beyond what Ford originally engineered for the street. Because now, this truck isn't chasing showroom hype anymore. It's chasing endurance. At the center of the chaos sits Ford's twin-turbocharged V6. A compact, high-output engine already known for brutal torque delivery and aggressive throttle response. But once you start running sustained high-speed desert stages, power becomes a thermal management problem. Heat is the enemy. Turbo temperatures skyrocket. Cooling systems become overwhelmed. Power delivery starts fading under continuous load. So the first step was completely remapping the engine calibration for endurance-focused performance. Not dyno numbers. Not social media drag races. Real-world survival at extreme speed. The anti-lag system was recalibrated to keep boost pressure active during aggressive throttle transitions, eliminating turbo hesitation when exiting corners or launching through loose terrain. And honestly, the difference feels violent. The moment throttle input hits, the Ranger responds instantly with relentless torque that keeps the truck pulling hard even across unstable surfaces. But raw acceleration means nothing without cooling efficiency. So the entire heat dissipation strategy was pushed to its limit. Upgraded intercooling. Optimized airflow management. Reinforced radiator performance under sustained desert punishment. Because competitive off-road racing destroys weak thermal systems fast. Then comes the suspension. The Ranger Raptor's long travel setup already borders on absurd from the factory, but once the speeds increase, damping precision becomes everything. Every landing matters. Every compression matters. The truck has to absorb massive impacts without losing stability or upsetting chassis balance. And somehow, this platform keeps feeling planted even while the terrain underneath becomes completely unpredictable. That's what separates engineered performance from marketing performance. The truck feels mechanical. Deliberate. Built for punishment instead of posing. Inside, it still carries the aggressive cockpit atmosphere that made the Raptor legendary. Bolstered performance seats. Digital off-road telemetry. A cabin designed to make you feel like the desert is the natural habitat of this machine. And honestly, maybe it is. The 2026 Ford Ranger Raptor isn't just another factory off-road truck anymore. With the right tuning, cooling upgrades, and anti-lag calibration, it becomes something far more serious. A high-speed desert weapon engineered to survive conditions that destroy ordinary performance vehicles. And if Ford's twin-turbo platform continues evolving at this pace, the Ranger Raptor may become one of the most dominant mid-size off-road racing foundations in the world.